Oh shit. Oh, my mic was off the whole time. My mic was off the whole time. My fault. Um, okay, we're locked in. We're here on these TPT accounts today. Okay, on these TPT accounts here. Let's see how exactly these work. I am a fan. Listen. Only thing here, by the way, guys, is that I am only trading on evals today. Only evals. So I'm on these TPT accounts that I told you guys I'd be loading up. I have 3 of them ready to go, ready to rumble right now. I'll be trading these evals together. I'm going to be copy trading all 3 of these fresh accounts, 50K, as you guys can see down here, $50,000 in them. And this will be the first trade. So eval only. Let's see how this thing goes. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Let's see how it goes, man. What were you saying? No, I'm not looking at. You going 4 cons? No, bro. I'm only in 1 con, bro. 1 con. 1 contract. I told you guys last night, today is low probability, so there's no reason at all for me to be like sizing up or doing any kind of that bullshit. Hold on, let me make sure the stream is out. You going for a long? Yeah, I'm gonna try one out here at that 43 level. If we could get there, I would enjoy that. I did a group on TradeAway where I put all 3 accounts in. Yeah, there you go. That's what you're supposed to do. That is exactly what you're supposed to do, guys. Also, by the way, I forgot to give away the accounts yesterday, so I still have to give 10 accounts away, and I'm gonna be doing that today. What the fuck did people get at Starbucks, bro? Mm-mm.
I don't like.
Not like this early in the morning. Bing chilling. Bing chilling. It's crazy. I have a long at that level before I joined. W. By the way, guys, if you're confused about this level in particular, this level is the 1 hour gap CE. Okay, 1 hour gap CE. We also have a 15-minute fair value gap here that we did dunk into that we're kind of reversing from. So I hope we do go hit this level. And then we have obviously the 5-minute gap in this area here as well, along with the midnight level here. Midnight is now actually closer to, matter of fact, the stop loss. So I'm interested to see how what this does. The only other level after 43 that I have is 23. So 23 we would be looking at like, you know, a little bit lower. There's also nothing at 23. So can't really do much with 23 because there's nothing there. In 4 hour, there's literally nothing at 23. So yeah, it's gonna have to be this 43 level. But what the fuck is this? What is this edge? I have to go lower again. 930. I'm hoping here goes a little bit lower and then it's a bounce. I guess you could do midnight as well. Nothing to say. that you can't do midnight. You absolutely can do midnight here. I might do a 20-point stop here because this is eval. I might do a 20-point stop. And that'll cover the lower gap as well. That could be a possibility as well. If we do a 20-point stop, it'll cover lower gap. TP, yeah, I mean, TP has to, we only have one TP, and that would have to be the highs, like the daily highs. That's it. Can't really do anything else in terms of TP. You guys know how that goes. But yeah, I'm telling you guys, today is like overall low probability, just because of the pure fact that this thing already made new all-time highs and the daily objective was hit. So now it's not obligated to deliver anywhere, which is why I'm telling you guys it's low probability. So we'll see what this thing does, but it's definitely not obligated to really like deliver anywhere. What's 643? 643 is the 1 hour gap CE, 15-minute fair value gap, and right now it's also encompassing this 5-minute fair value gap too. Anything open will be take profits from yesterday, open and then continue. What do you mean take profits from yesterday's open and continue? No trades for the TPT. Bro, this is on the TPT challenge. I'm only trading eval today. Only trading eval. And I'm only trading these TPT evals. That's it. This is the TPT eval, bro. There you go. This is TPT eval right here. This setup right here is on the TPT eval. The limit is 43. The stop is 33. I might actually move it. Like I said, I might move it to 20 points. I haven't decided yet. Let's see. Put the house music on. Yeah, a little early, bro. I'm kind of locked in right now. Little early for any kind of music, matter of fact. So no music. No music. That's like low-key an Asia thing. We have a lot of SMT here with ES as well. Bullish SMT with ES. ES is currently trading under midnight. NQ obviously, as you guys can see, farther up. We could look for like shorts inside of here as well. See what this does in the coming few minutes. Rejected one. I just have too much going on up here. We do have 702, which would be like essentially just right above the CE of this 702.25. I don't know if it'll get there. 5. Good level there. And then I also have 19.5. Also a good level for this upper gap. We are rejecting from one of the levels that I have down here. It's not the best one. It was 93.75. Rejecting 93.75. So it may deliver to this lower one and then make a move. May do that. Let's see. It's kind of like kind of difficult to form a bias here after the daily objective has been hit and we're trading at all-time highs, right? Like there's no way for us to really know if this thing is going to go higher or if it's going to go lower for the remainder of the day. Like no possible way for us to know because we don't know if this rejection here is from anywhere reliable. So that's the issue here. Would you rate those setups? I mean, anything that I take here today is going to be a B grade setup because we're at all-time highs, and that's why I'm trading only the evals. This is the take profit evals, guys. My 3 take profit evals that I told you guys I was loading up and trading and documenting with you guys. These are those evals. Probably won't get there. You say my buffer on my take profit, so if I stop trading today, I no longer have to worry about the trailing drawdown. Correct? Yes, I use code key. Yeah, you're good. If you hit the buffer, so if you have a 50K account and you got to 52, you no longer have to worry about trailing drawdown. Your trailing drawdown gets locked at 50K. So if you make more money, the trailing drawdown does not follow anymore. What platform do you use to enter trades? Tradeovate, guys. Tradeovate. If you're copy trading multiple TPT accounts, Tradeovate. If you only have one account, do it on TradingView. This is not an A+ setup. I'll tell you guys right now, there's going to be 0 A+ setups that form today because we're at all-time highs and we already hit the daily objective. There is no A+ setups happening at all today. None. FVG indicator. It's right here. Yes, Tradeovate is free, and the copy trader on Tradeovate is also free. It's just a group trade feature. That's all it is. Yeah, it's free. I bought TPT yesterday. Still haven't received credentials. A little weird. Check your email. If you still haven't like gotten them in your email, then just reach out to their support. They should help you out, I would imagine. But I bought these yesterday, and I got the credentials. Curious why you had the limit order set. I explained the reasoning for this actually in the premium as well. Jihad, I don't know if you're in there anymore. If you're not, you're actually a loser. But we have a hourly fair value gap CE here. We have a 15-minute fair value gap, and we also have a 5-minute fair value gap. So I do like this area. We also have midnight here and the open fair value gap literally chilling right by midnight. So I do like this area. I might actually move it a little bit lower. Matter of fact, to the 30. I might actually move it a little bit lower into like this gap instead. 35. Let's see, 35.75. I might actually just adjust this limit and go there instead. Oops. 35.75 and then 25.75 stop loss. Okay, just adjusted the limit up real quick. This is now in this fresh 5-minute gap. Up $1,300 on my first TPT Pro account in an hour. Fire, bro. Let's go. Hell yeah. Yeah, TradeAway does not allow the, unfortunately, it does not allow the brackets. How can I connect my accounts to set up copy trading? Okay, let me show you guys real quick how you do that. Okay, it's not gonna let me because it's like out of the frame. Wait. Yeah, it's out of the frame and it's gonna fuck up my trading view if I fuck with it. So it's not gonna let me. Oh look, it already fucked my trading view up, bro. Like now it's black. I gotta fix this. Dude, this fucking OBS is so retarded sometimes. Why is it black? What is this thing doing, bro? I fully cooked my fucking... No way, bro. This thing is so dumb, bro. Alright, whatever. It'll pop back up at some point. You just go over into TradeAway. You click on the top, you're gonna see the accounts, like the account name. It's gonna be take profit and then blah 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 whatever. Click the drop down, go to manage groups, click the plus sign, create a group. It's gonna show on the left side where it says available. It's gonna show the available TPT accounts. Take them and drag them over to the right hand side. Hit save and hit close. Then hit the drop down again and then click your account group. And once you click your account group, you're going to be grouped with all the accounts. Any trade you take on one account, it's going to take it on all of them, okay? Very simple. Or you could Google it if you need some, views. What about TradeSyncer? We're not copying multiple firms right now. We're only trading on one firm, so TradeSyncer is unnecessary. At the moment, at least. Are you able to group these? Nope, you cannot group on TradingView. Just got a new TPT account with your code last night to get in the giveaway. I can't place trades on TradingView, but it's connected. You might have to wait a little bit because you might not. If it says like the symbol is untradeable or some shit, you just have to wait a little bit. Having trouble trading my pro account separate from my copy account. Tried to trade my pro account separate and said something about it needed to be added. Because you probably still have the group selected. So deselect the group, click the little account drop down, and make sure that you just click your pro account. You can't be on the group. You gotta sign, yeah, you gotta sign the agreements and all the bullshit. You have to go log in on Tradeovate, and then enable Trading View to it too. We have a news high, so we gotta draw on liquidity. This 8:30 a.m. high, yeah, maybe it could be. Guess we'll see. You do not have to manually put it in, bro. You have to fucking... You guys, I'm not even gonna try explaining that, bro. Like, I just got done explaining how you can group all of them. Too early for stupid questions. December contract chart, it's NQZ, bro. The new one is NQZ. Is TPT cheaper than Top Step? It is cheaper than Top Step right now, yep. Is TPT with code key, there's no activation, so effectively makes it cheaper than Top Step. Yes, I put them on Tradeovate, and then they pop up on Trading View. Yep. 1 minute until the open. Hopefully we can go lower, sweep into the limit, and then make a move up here. That's my thoughts. That's my hope. Because if this delivers back to the all-time highs, I don't know what the fuck we're gonna trade, bro. If this delivers to this high without us, I have literally no idea what the fuck we're gonna trade, bro. Shit don't make no sense. Alright, 4 seconds. There it is. Wrong way, buddy. Okay, nice. Continue. You have my permission to continue lower. Keep going, twin. We need it through the low. 643 is 1 hour CE. Yeah, that's what I had earlier. 643 is what I had earlier. I just moved it a little bit to the fucking midnight level. 43.5. What did you say? This was my earlier limit.